Check this out! DJI has just launched their new DJI Mini 4 Pro drone, and I am so excited about this because the mini lineup of their drones is some of my favorites. Now, because they are so small, they obviously don't have all of the features that most of the more expensive and pro drones have, but with every upgrade, this little guy is getting better and better. It really is the perfect beginner drone, but also, even if you're a pro, the fact that this is so small, portable, and compact with surprisingly incredible video footage, this might be the drone that you always have with you. You know, just in case you need to get a shot. Let's unbox it and check it out. So here's everything you get in the box. You get a little traveler's case, you have your controller, drone, batteries, and of course, extra propellers. And here's the little drone. Look how cute, it's so small. I always call this the prop belt, but I love that they have this new design to keep your propellers in place when you're traveling with this. This makes it easy to pack and keeps your propellers safe. So here's our battery, it's super small. This kit comes with 3 batteries and a charger, and here's the controller. The joysticks are in the back, just pop them out and on when it's time to fly. We also have some ND filters. We have a 16, 64, and 256, and these are great for super bright days when you're flying. We also have a wide angle lens. I'm excited to try this out. I've actually never used one of these before on a drone. They work just like the ND filters. You just pop off the lens and pop on the wide angle lens. So now that this is all unboxed, let's pack up and go fly. The best part about these mini drones is strategically it weighs under 249 grams so that you won't need to register it with the FAA for recreational operation. We fly here. It's so unreal all the things that this little drone can do while still being so light. Now, as for video, it can shoot 4K video, 4K 60, 4K 100 frames a second, night mode, and D-Log-M. Now, I love that for vertical content creators, you can shoot true vertical videos with this. It's so easy. You just flip it into the vertical mode and the camera rotates so you can get the perfect vertical shot. I don't take photos that often with drones, but I'm trying to get better. But this has a 1 1/3 inch sensor that allows you to shoot 48 megapixel photos at 24 millimeters. Let's get a pano. We can do sphere, 180, wide angle, or even one of the verticals. I'm gonna do a little 180 here. Sick. 360 photo is pretty cool. It'll take a bunch of photos and create this 360 image automatically. So when you go into your editor, you can scroll around and reframe it to whatever shot you like. If you want to get a wider angle point of view, you can use this new wide angle lens to really change up the look. All right, let's pop on this wide angle. I'm so excited to try this. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's so much wider. Like, this is so close to me. I gotta put it in sport mode so I can get closer. Oh Jesus, oh gosh. It's so wide angle. This is so great. Wow. It gives you like this whole new perspective. I've actually never used a wide angle lens like this. Like, it looks like I'm so much further away than I am. Oh, the sun's setting. I love this for shooting vertical videos because it'll give you a much wider field of view. It has new omnidirectional obstacle sensing and a new way to use Active Track 360. They have a trace wheel where you can use your finger to show how you want to move around your subject. This also allows for you to navigate around obstacles. It even has the ability to auto-recognize and replan the tracking route after losing the subject. The transmission system also has an upgrade to OcuSync 4.0. So let's check out some of the active tracking features. Basically, I have to just draw a little box around myself. We have point of interest, spotlight, and active track. So this is spotlight. It'll stay put, but it'll still follow me wherever I go. But the drone stays still. Now with active track, this is where it gets fun. So here's our little trace wheel, and this is super cool because this allows us to actually trace a path around us, and we can go around obstacles. There it goes. It's going around. And it's great because this does have the obstacle sensing that it's able to determine if there's something nearby. Now for battery life, much like all drones, flight time will vary, but you can get up to 45 minutes of flight time, which is pretty impressive for such a small drone. love these quick shots. They're so fun. We can do dronies, rocket, circle, helix, boomerang. I've demoed all of these in previous videos, but this droney and the rocket are my favorite shots to get. Oh man, this is so fun. This is definitely my new favorite go-to drone that will never leave my travel bag. I do obviously have my pro drones, but this is something that even if I don't plan on taking a drone, it's small enough that I can fit anywhere. I will say something that I was impressed with is how small this drone was, its ability to capture these low light videos. They actually look pretty impressive when you put it into night mode. And don't forget, this also does have a zoom. So here is the 1x, the 2x, and the 3x. Look at our little light! This is helping me land, except I'm not ready to land yet. Do I look like I'm being abducted by aliens?